How to tempt a guy to kiss you. Is there someone special you have been dreaming to kiss? You are waiting, but he's not making that first move. Chances are he is afraid, or nervous and not sure how you would react. Follow these 8 steps to give him a clue that you want to be kissed. 1. Make your breath smell good. Before you leave your house, make sure you brush your teeth and tongue. Are you going to a party where you may meet someone you want to be kissed by? Take a pack of gum or mints with you. There is nothing worse than kissing someone with a bad breath, so make it your priority and take care of it earlier. 2. Find the right place where you can be alone. Ask him to hang out in a place where is right mood for a kiss. Go see a movie, go for a walk, etc. If you are at the party, go in with him to another room, or ask him to go outside. If you are in a group, it probably makes him nervous and kills the mood. If you really want to be kissed, make sure you find a place where you two can be alone. 3. Be outgoing once you get him alone. Be friendly and confident. If you feel nervous, don't show it. Face your body towards his. Look him in the eyes. And don't forget about open, welcoming body posture. Try not to cross your legs and arms. Give him some compliments and laugh at his jokes. Tell him what you like about him. You can say, "This shirt looks really good on you." It brings out your green eyes. Make sure he is comfortable with you. 4. Get closer to him. Try to minimize the space between you two. If you are not close to him already, get closer. Just find an excuse to do so. Chances are he is trying to find a way to get closer to you as well. In that case, give him the opportunity he is looking for. If you are indoors, say, "You have an eyelash on your cheek." Then lean in to wipe it off. Look him in the eyes, and wait for his reaction, not moving away. If you are outside, you can say, "It's a little chilly here, don't you think?" Then shuffle closer to him. 5. Break the touch barrier. Think of the touch barrier as an invisible line between you two. It will stay there until someone makes the move. Be the first one to do so. Touch him on the arm when you laugh. Brush his leg when you sit next to each other. It will show him you are cool with physical contact. If he breaks the touch barrier first, show him you are comfortable with him doing so, and respond in some way. Brush his hand with yours, or touch him on the arm. 6. Make your lips kissable. Cracked, dry or chapped lips are not very tempting. To prevent them from drying out, apply some lip balm or Vaseline before bed. Make them well moisturized and they will become unavoidable. When he makes eye contact, playfully bite your lips. To draw his attention to your lips, apply some lip gloss. Don't put too much though, it can be very sticky. If you eat ice cream or some fruit, let some juice get on your lips and slowly lick it off. The more attention you draw to your lips, the more chances he won't be able to resist to kiss you. 7. Flirt with your eyes. Eye contact is very important when you want a guy to understand you want him to kiss you. It shows you are confident, but also that you can play coy. Look him deeply in the eyes, then slowly look at his lips, and come back to the eyes. If he catches the clue, he will definitely try to kiss you. If it won't happen, don't worry, just try again a little later. Another good way to flirt with your eyes is to hold eye contact. Then drop your eyes, smiling slightly. Look back up, and give him your cutest look he won't resist. 8. Kiss him. No one said guys need to make the move first. Do you want to be kissed? Kiss him first. Sometimes he can be nervous around you. So take the pressure off him, and kiss him. Be confident, it's attractive. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to our channel and click that like button.